Hi everyone, Naturally Quee here. Today I'm discussing the As I Am co-wash and whether I liked it or not in my hair. And I also showed you all how I put my DIY hot oil treatment in my hair. And as you were wondering about this little baby right here, I have a little zit in my face. Ignore that, still natural, still showing positivity and showing you guys how to have a healthy hair journey. So stick with me and stay tuned. This is a twist out from the mini twist that I had in my hair. Well, actually, this is not the twist out from the mini twist. It's a retwisted hair from the twist out that I wore overnight, and I just took them out. So I'm going to wash my hair. I'm going to actually co-wash today with As I Am coconut co-wash. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to let you know the results on how my hair feels and if I like it or not. So I'm back from washing my hair, and I love the way this coconut co-wash feels. Like my curls popping. Yes, I love the way it feels. Nice, soft, and manageable. Definitely will be using again. And some people were wondering why I was using the shirts instead of a towel, but I noticed that my hair usually sticks to the towel, so I like to use a shirt, and it usually dries my hair a little better with the shirts as well, and it doesn't stick to my old shirts. I don't wear these shirts only when I'm washing my hair. That's the only time I use these shirts. I have a bunch of old shirts that I use strictly just for my hair. But next I'll be doing my hot oil treatment with my DIY oil mixture. Okay, so I already started my hot oil treatment. I'm gonna show you how I put my oil treatment in my hair. I already have my oils together. I already did the back on this side, so I'm gonna just go ahead and apply it to my scalp. Massage it in. I get the back. Massage that in.
Mom, can I do it too?
So, split it in half. There we go. Focus on those ends. That's the most important part, is the ends. And finger, and this helps me detangle too. The finger detangle. I don't use a comb or a brush or anything. I like to use my fingers. I notice when I use the comb, a lot of hair comes out with it. When I finger detangle, not so much. Sometimes I'll oops, I dropped some on the floor. It's okay. I'll get it. Pour some in my hand. Sure, I get everything. Okay. Like, that's a lot of oil, but it's really not so much. So I'm gonna take my hair clips out, show you all what this oil looks like. Once it's all in there, it's my hair with the oils in it. So I'm gonna put my plastic caps on, and then after I put my plastic caps on, I'm going to put my hot head thermal cap on, and I'm going to let it sit in for a couple hours and then rinse it out.